guys, so in the short time of me being a social media manager, yes, I have a certificate in social media management. I've been able to come across quite a number of applications and tools that can help brands grow their social media platform fast. So a lot of YouTubers do not actually know that there are some applications that can elevate their content creation journey, and there are also some software tools that can actually slow them down from getting to the peak in the shortest possible time. In this video, I'll be dishing out 13 free tools that can help beginners grow their YouTube channel fast and get monetized. Number 7, 9 and 10 are my absolute favorites. Why? Because they've helped me so far in my content creation journey, I can't even lie, and they also make content creation sweet and easy for creators. The first free tool that can help you grow your YouTube channel fast and hit monetization easily is Notions. Notion is a productivity and organization tool. It can be used to organize your video ideas, script your content, plan your posting schedules, and so much more. And doing these things will help you track your goals while creating consistently. The second tools that will help you grow fast on YouTube is Google Trends. Trust me, when it comes to Google Trends, you don't even want to sleep on this one because it is one of the bomb. So what it does is to help you spot trending topics and compare interest over time. That means topics that are going to trend, it will help you to find it. Topics that will trend for a long time, it will help you to find it. So if you have a topic in mind that you want to film for your channel, go to Google Trends first before you film that video. It can inform you if that topic will do well, or if it is currently trending, or if it will perform well over time. So even if that video you are about to film is not currently popular or is not currently trending, Google Trends can help you know if the topic will gain momentum later. And do you know what it means if you are the first to do something and it begins to trend? Do you know what it means to be the first person to create a video and it starts going popular, it starts going viral? You're about to blow up. This app will help you stay relevant by creating videos that people are searching for, videos that are in demand. For example, you can use it to compare YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to see what is currently trending or hot. Because the truth is, what is trending on TikTok may not be trending on Instagram, and what trends on IG may not trend on YouTube. So make sure you don't just post irrelevant videos. Check it before you create it and post it. Number 3, we have Pixabay and Pixels. The both of them work similar way and they are best for faceless channels. When you use Pixels or Pixabay, you can generate stock videos or stock footages for your faceless YouTube channel. Just to use it to create the visuals of your video. So for those of you that like stock videos and stock pictures, when you go to Pixabay and you go to Pixels, you can get more than enough for free. I'll show you a few on my screen, like drone footages, sunset, sunrise, river, ocean, beach, and so much more. So if you are camera shy and you want to do YouTube, you feel like you cannot come and appear in front of the camera, then go to Pixabay, go to Pixels and get footages. I do that a lot. That is what we even use to grow faceless YouTube channels. In case you don't know, I have spilled a secret for you now. So the fourth free tool I'm here to give you is Remove BG. You can use it to remove background from your pictures before you create your thumbnail. Or let's say you went somewhere and you took a picture, you do not really like the background. You can use it to remove the background from your image and put another background. So that is what Remove BG does. So it is best for thumbnail creation. And that brings us to number 5, which is one of my favorite, like one of the things I use the most. Can you guess? Canva. Guys, I use Canva to create all my thumbnails. I don't even do much. I just go on Canva, add this, remove this, add that, remove that. If you're a YouTuber or a content creator and you don't use Canva, I'm sorry, what are you doing? What are you using? Like, how do you create your eye-catching thumbnail? You see those thumbnails that your favorite YouTubers use on their videos? In case you don't know, I am telling you now, they designed it with Canva. My thumbnails are very simple, but I also designed them on Canva and it is totally free. totally free. You don't need to pay for it. If you want to pay for Canva Pro, it is around 2,800, but you don't even need to pay for it to be able to design reasonable thumbnail for your YouTube channel. That being said, Canva is the best app for you to design your thumbnail, your social media graphics, your video intro, your YouTube banner, even wedding invitation cards. The sixth tool that you need to hit the ground running the moment you start your YouTube channel is CapCut. Are you even a YouTuber if you don't use CapCut to edit your videos? Yes, I know there are other editing apps like InShot, VN, and so much more, but CapCut is beginner friendly. It has the pro version, which I use, but trust me when I tell you that from the free version you can make the most out of it. So if you're a beginner and you need high quality edits without using complex tools or without using anything that will stress you, I endorse CapCut. Number 7, we have vidIQ. vidIQ can help your videos to reach a wide number of views if you follow it wholeheartedly. You can also get daily video ideas and keyword analysis for your channel. If you are looking for a tool that can help you optimize your channel for growth, vidIQ. You want the best titles for your videos, vidIQ. If you even want to know when a particular video is trending in your niche, vidIQ. They can give you trending alerts by letting you know when a particular video is actually going viral in your niche. If you don't have vidIQ, then now is the best time for you to download it and start enjoying every available benefit that you can enjoy for free. vidIQ has a paid version, but the free version also does the job. Number 8, we have TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is similar to vidIQ that I mentioned earlier, although it has its own unique features. TubeBuddy can help you checklist your video and score your video to help you know how optimized it is. Number 9, which is one of my all-time favorites, is the YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio has the app version and they have the web version. Both are very, very important. The app version, you can use it to track all your videos. The web version is for you to upload your videos, checklist your channel, and do so much to download YouTube music for your channel, to check for copyrights, and so much more. Like, it has a lot. I cannot explain the difference between YouTube web and YouTube app here in this video. It is huge. Like, it is much. Their differences and their advantages are very much. I can't explain it in this video. What I would advise you is that you should download the YouTube Studio app. Go and download it now if you don't have it on your phone. I will show you what the logo looks like. YouTube Studio app. Next we have is ChatGPT. Anyway, in case you are not aware, I am telling you now that ChatGPT can help you generate video ideas, help you generate titles, and even script the video for you to film on your channel. So if you feel burnt out and you don't know what next to create, run now, don't walk, run to ChatGPT for ideas and you will not be disappointed. I can attest to that fact. Number 12 is natural readers, and this is for faceless channels or channels who do not want to use their real voice in their videos. These tools can help you generate AI voices for your videos. Use it and thank me later. Number 13, we have Linktree. I know a lot of you have heard about Linktree before, but some of you don't even know that you need it to grow your YouTube channel. What Linktree does is that it helps you to add all your links into one bio. It makes it easier for your subscribers or your followers to follow you and support you in all your social media platforms with just one click. That means if I see a link on your channel and I click on it, that one link, I have subscribed to your YouTube channel, I have followed you on Instagram. If you have a Facebook account, I have followed you there. If you're on TikTok, I have followed you there. That is how Linktree works. What I would advise you to do is to put your Linktree link on your bio or on your description. Once people click on it, they've automatically subscribed and followed you everywhere on your social media platforms. Number 11, we have Answer the Public. This one is to help you discover real questions that people are asking about your niche. So with the help of this tool, you can create searchable and helpful video that is around your niche. Why? Because you already know that these are the kind of questions that people are asking. So I need to film a video about that thing. That is how Answer the Public works. Now let me quickly chip this in. As a small YouTuber, you don't need to learn all these tools at the same time. Just pick 4 or 5 of these tools and use it to level up your content. So guys, among all these 13 tools that I have listed, which of them do you use for your channel already? Which of them do you plan to learn how to use to elevate your content this year? Thank you so much for watching to the end. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Do well to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.